Two challenging days in a row, minus 83.50 today in the 250K portfolio, minus 1700 in the 50K portfolio. Hypothetical end of day drawdown is minus 29.65. The live end of day drawdown is minus 19.255. And our last equity peak was on February the 21st. We were $1,600 away from a new equity peak last Thursday, and then the last 2 days of trading have just been brutal with this Silicon Valley Bank news and what's the Fed going to do? Is there contagion? And just a lot of extra chop in the market. It's very difficult and frustrating to trade this type of market environment. We'll go over the trades on the day. We kept reversing positions and catching up to break even, about to go positive, and then the market would reverse once again. We'd eventually reverse and catch up, and then at the end of the day, it stops out the shorts. It's short fighting once again, and then pulled back, and we were long at the end of the day, and this pullback drained us. And so let's go over the trades on the day. Challenging day overall with the technical stuff as well. We sent out Easylanguage updates for order rejects. We also had rollovers, and these .D symbols didn't work until 30 minutes until after the open, and then daylight savings time was on top of that, and then Silicon Valley Bank. So just a couple of days of just extreme adversity and looking for a cycle in our favor, and we will wait for a bounce here. Let me show you where we are in the drawdown. So I updated this over the weekend, and we are at, after today, this is as of Friday, so after today, we are, it was 8,500, so 21,000. We are $5,600 away from a max drawdown. So we're looking for a bounce here on this setup, and I don't want to risk too much more. If this price action continues, if we get these extreme, if we start to go into some extreme market mode where there's lots of failures and limit moves, we'll back off and look for a better way to trade, or wait until the market is more favorable. It's not my favorite type of market environment right now. And so as of Friday, this is where it's at, and as of today, it's right down here where it's been frequently. And this is the new portfolio that we started as of March the 9th. And our real time, because we started on a drawdown, we were able to match up this transition in drawdowns as to where we are. I've also working on some other things. I've been testing a lot of things I've talked about, and so working on that as well. Also the portfolio money management algorithms. But let's go over the trades. Just interesting to see the contentious nature of this market, to always fight back, but no follow through. And so you saw that today. The market was down. We got short, popped higher, chopped around, got long, then it rolled over, we got short, then we got long again. We kept catching up. We were about to go up on the day right in here, then it rolled over again. And so just challenging to see this price action. I believe the market should go lower, but it just won't. And so we're willing to take it higher, but it won't go higher either. And so Cobra 3, markets stopped out on Cobra 3, even the S&P 2 days in a row. Thursday was a winner. Tick Fader had a nice trade on the day, just taking the mean reversion trade right there. Momentum reversal, was ready to catch the counter trend trade. The Fed's going to backstop Silicon Valley Bank, and so the initial move was to treat this like some big capitulation movement, which it wasn't, but that's what the tape looked like. And so momentum reversal jumped aboard, market rolled over, ended up around break even on this trade, opening chop. And so we get this opening chop, the market started to chop here, then it had a pulse move to this area, then it chopped in this area. So that threw us out of sync. Market usually chops more around the opening price instead of pulsing and then chopping. And so that put us down on this strategy today, minus 1275. So 2 days in a row. This one is down. Looking forward to tomorrow's trade for this strategy. You should be trading the June contract now. Centos Workspace is out. Also, Tick Wave got short. Market fought that short. It continues to fight shorts in a fundamentally bear market. Technical downtrend more than I've ever seen, I believe. Tick count trend turnaround dynamic. First trade, nice short. And then it looked like it would get in on a good second trade, second leg down. Thought the market would make a decisive move here, either up or down. It didn't make a decisive move in either direction. Tick chop lost on the day. This one was down minus 1650. You saw got short again twice, and so lost twice on the day. Let's look at the NASDAQ strategies. And so Viper had one winner, then stopped out on the second trade, down on the day. Tick pullback, tried to go long at the end of the day. Looked like it was running this point. Market pulled back to this point. The buyer stepped in, tried to run it up. Got a buy program going, pulled back, tried to get in, rolled over. Just a lot of back and forth. Cobra 3, here it looked like the market could roll over after rallying and potentially roll over. Boom, ran up and then rolled over. So tick reversal 2023, tried to go long here. Looked like a good trade. Tick reversal 2022 version was up on the day. Hit this profit target. It took a while to hit this. It almost hit it here, pulled back, and then it finally hit it, then it pulled back, got long again, then the market rolled over. Momentum reversal was up a little bit on the day on the NASDAQ, and so those are the trades on the day. Let's look at the market internals. Just wild back and forth with the tick. You see the coming down here at the minus 1400, minus 1430 was a low. And then it didn't go above 1,000 until the end of the day, and then it rolled over again. Advanced decline line was down here, gap down, but the advanced decline line was higher. You see that 2 days in a row. On Thursday, advanced decline line was down here, gapped up, moved down, then gapped up here. So it continues. The trend continues down, but it's such a choppy downtrend on Thursday and Friday. It'll be interesting to see what the market does tomorrow. So, once again, these are the trades on the day. For Monday, March the 13th, 2023, we will be putting in tight risk management, looking for a bounce in here. And so I want to protect these gains on the year, on the quarter, potentially on the month. And so, if we get this, if the market continues like this, we may just move to the chopper strategies. A limited version of the chopper strategies right now because the market is just trading in such a choppy nature, different than 2022 right now. And so once again, those are the trades on the day for Monday, March 13th, 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.